Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on learning German for beginner. And in this lesson we were talking about how to speak numbers in Deutsch. Let's get started. First one is eins. Eins. Eins, that's mean number one. Once again, eins. Eins. Next number, zwei. Zwei. Once again, zwei. That's mean number two. Next number, drei. Drei. That's mean number three. Okay, once again, drei. Next number is vier, not wir. Vier. Once again, vier. That's mean number four. Next number is fünf. Fünf. That's mean number five. Once again, fünf. Next number is sechs. Sechs. That's mean number six. Once again, sechs. Next number is sieben. Sieben. That number is mean seven. Okay, once again, sieben. Next number is acht. Acht. That's mean number eight. Acht. Okay, when you see the microphone, you will tell me number 1 from 8. I will give you 10 seconds. Okay, let's get started. Okay, listen again. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht. Okay, once again. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht.